be a very basic makeup tutorial that I'm going to do. So I'm not very skilled at doing makeup, and this is for all those people like me who are that skilled in doing with this. I've already applied some cream. Next we are going to do the base.
I have this liquid foundation from Maybelline. I don't apply a lot of it, just a bit here and there to even my skin tone out. So I'm going to blend it with my hands. I don't have that blender, so I'm going to blend it with my hands.
Now we are moving on to applying some loose powder. I have Lakme 925 primer plus matte loose powder. So apply.
So next I'm gonna use Maybelline's Master Blush color palette. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this blush. Then I'm gonna apply some highlighter. I'm going to try to highlight the upper portion of my cheeks, the apple of my cheeks. As you can see, there's a little shine on my nose and my cheeks because of the highlighter.
Add some kajal.
I'm going to use the same kajal as liner. I do it quite often.
The last thing that I'm going to do is apply some lipstick.
We're not gonna do a red lipstick. Instead, we're going for Sugar's shimmer brown lipstick. So the lipstick is a mixture of brown and red and super pretty. I'm gonna open my hair. This is how I go out. Not much makeup.
I had mentioned earlier, this video is not for a makeup pro person. This is basically for people like me who don't do much makeup in real life and who would want to know what items they can own to start doing a little bit of makeup.
So if you found my video useful, do give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Until next time.